Good day, everybody. My name is Chris. I'm here at Hino Central, Calgary. Welcome to Hino Central TV. Today I'm bringing you this brand new 2026 Hino L7. This unit is rigged and ready with a 26-foot flat deck from Ventures Manufacturing. This unit comes powered by a Cummins B 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine mated to the Allison 2500 RDS transmission. This truck comes ready to go with the winter front. Also includes a summer bug screen so that you're not getting this beautiful chrome grille full of bugs. It also comes standard with electric mirrors, air ride seat. This unit also comes with the optional 90-gallon fuel tank so that you're not having to stop all the time to fuel up. On this 26-foot flat deck, each side has grab handles and steps for easy getting on and off of this flat deck unit. Headache rack comes with expanded mesh for easy viewing of your back deck. Also has two work lights to light up this 26-foot space. On this unit, it has sliding winch points, so you can slide your winch units to wherever you need them for easy decking. Underneath here we have our toolbox that stores all of your straps and any other tools you might need. We have 6 of these winch units along the deck to help space out your straps. And as we come around to the back here, we have an ICC step bumper and all of your DOT lighting installed. If you have any other questions, or you'd like to contact me for a price or those questions about this unit, you can contact me directly at 825-521-8605. Or again, come by Hino Central, Calgary. We'd love to show you this unit.